Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of household cleaning with a product that's been making waves in the market, the HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Let me tell you, folks, if you're on the hunt for the best kitchen cleaning cloth out there, your search ends right here. This 12-pack of microfiber cloths from HOMEXCEL is an absolute game-changer. What makes these cloths stand out from the crowd? Well, let's start with their effectiveness. These cleaning cloths are designed to tackle any mess with ease. Whether it's spills on your countertops, grease on your stovetop, or fingerprints on your appliances, these cloths have got you covered. And let's talk about versatility. These cloths aren't just for the kitchen. Use them to clean your windows, wipe down your car interior, or even dust your electronics. The possibilities are endless. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what some satisfied customers have to say. Great quality for the price. Life-changing alternative to paper towels. Love these. With thousands of rave reviews like these, it's clear that these cloths are a must-have for any household. But it's not just about cleaning power, it's also about sustainability. These cloths are reusable and durable, meaning you can say goodbye to single-use paper towels for good. Plus, they're made with eco-friendly materials, so you can feel good about your purchase. Now, you might be wondering how these cloths stack up against the competition. Let's take a quick look. Compared to other brands, the HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloth offers unbeatable value, performance, and durability. So there you have it, folks, the HOMEXCEL Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to a cleaner, greener home. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cleaning!